Hello everyone, just thought I'd do a quick video to show you some of the more simple projects that I've done so far. So the first one I did when I first got my 3D printer. My housemates and I do quite a lot of board games, so we thought we'd personalise our own characters. So like this one I've got here, that one's my one. As you can see, the material's not that great. You can see all the layers and stuff on it, but we thought that was quite cool, so we made another one for my other housemate, so it's more appropriate for him. And then I made another one for the other housemate, but he stood on it, so it broke him, so I had to make it with my nicer material, as I've got there. Then we had a friend of a housemate's who is really tall, like about a foot taller than all the rest of us. So I've made him a lot bigger than us, which I thought was quite funny. So the way we did these were we went on GrabCAD, which is a free online website. That means that you can get any CAD file that's on there for free and download it yourself, or you can upload it as well. So what we did is we went and found some scanned in life-size people as similar to us as we could, and then we 3D printed it. So I thought that was quite a good idea for any of you who want to customize your own board games to yourselves. So we're actually making our own board game at the moment, and I'm likely to be uploading some more information on that later. So another short project that I did was a cookie cutter. I'm a big fan of tractors myself, so I 3D printed a tractor shape cookie cutter. So you just stamp it out. You can do any shape really. I just did a little lip over the top, so then it makes it stronger. I might do some more of these in the future, but I'm still yet to use it, so when I do, I'll show you. Another simple project was for one of my friends who has a Scalextric track. So he wanted some fence panels because they're quite expensive, the ones you can buy. So what I've done is I've replicated the bottom piece, and I've customized the top piece for him to be able to have those little bits, so then you can fit a wire mesh all the way along the whole fence panel, whereas you couldn't do that before. So it's quite similar to what he had before, but I've just tailored it more to him, and I've got to print quite a lot of them because he's got a rather big Scalextric track. So in the next few videos, I'll explain some of the more complicated projects that I've done and more development that I've had with them. But these are just a few of the projects that I've done in the last few weeks, which are quite simple and may give you some ideas for your own projects. So yeah, join me in the next video. Thank you for watching.